Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Mega Leak leaves nothing to the imagination. We're only 1 week away from Samsung's next Unpacked event on July 10th. New leaks reveal the entire spec sheets and marketing materials with practically everything you want to know. Few days back leaks, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6 dummy units. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will not look too different from their predecessors. The design of upcoming foldable phones, confirming the flat frame design approach as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available in pink, dark navy blue and silver colors, weighing in at 239 grams. The Fold 6 is 14 grams lighter than its predecessor. Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a big cover screen. It has a 6.3-inch OLED cover screen and a 7.6-inch internal foldable screen. Both displays will be dynamic AMOLED and support a 120 Hz refresh rate and maximum brightness of 2600 nits. In the camera department, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is tipped to get a 50-megapixel sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with up to 3x optical zoom at the back, 10MP cover display front camera, and 4MP under-display camera. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, also have 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The phone will also ship with One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14 out of the box and should get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. The phones will feature Galaxy AI-infused software. It have IP48 rated builds for dust and splash resistance as well as Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 coming with 4400 mAh battery. The phone will support 25W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.